Want a simple, versatile sprayer for your plants or cleaning tasks? Check out this adjustable bottle spray head. It turns almost any plastic bottle into a high-pressure sprayer. Just screw it onto a standard drink bottle, fill with water, and you're ready to spray. Rotate the nozzle to switch between a fine mist for delicate plants and a strong stream for cleaning or watering. Made from durable plastic with a comfortable trigger grip and a 30 cm hose, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for indoor plants, garden beds, patios, or even car washing. No need for a bulky watering can or expensive spray system. This little tool is affordable, reusable, and stores easily. Ready to upgrade your watering game on a budget? Check the link in the description below to grab this bottle sprayer now. Thanks for watching, and happy spraying!